2022 new generation Land Rover Discovery. Possibly the #1 7-seater 4-wheel drive on the market you can get now. 3-litre diesel. This car's an R-Dynamic in Fuji white. The R-Dynamic gives you all that beautiful styling. So you've got the black badging, the grille, the inserts, the black arches, the skirts running round. It's got the 20-inch wheels finished in anthracite. You've got the red calipers. It's got side steps. It's got black roof rails. Privacy glass on the back. It's done 600 miles. It's got the beautiful two-tone interior, and most importantly, I've just looked at what this car is going up for. It's the best buy Discovery R-Dynamic for sale in the UK on a 2022. New design lights. So these are the new Matrix LED headlights, which is part of the new generation. You've got all that dynamic styling which I mentioned. I think against the car being white, you've got the black mirrors, the inserts, contrasting black windows and the roof rails. Lovely LED rear lights at the back. Big R, you've got that R-Dynamic bumper which is broken up in black and white as well. So it's just a great car, and we sell so many of these cars because people love the space, they love the room. 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover assist. Inside, like I said, for me the interior is stunning as well. So you've got, it's broken up with black and ivory. You've got your sunroofs which go all the way through, but this car's got the big optional extra sliding sunroof. So standard R-Dynamic Discoveries, S's and SEs, don't have a sliding roof. So they're normally just fixed glass roof. You have one at the front and one at the back. This has got the big optional extra sliding roof which opens up. Inside, it's the latest model, so we've got the new 11.4-inch screen, all this new generation interior, which has got the quick changing buttons for your vents and for your heated seats, driver and passenger. All this has changed. Everything's touchscreen, everything's really usable. Reversing camera with a 3D camera system, again, part of the new generation Land Rover product. Digital dials, cruise control, automatic lights, automatic wipers, front and rear heated screens, all the USB charging points throughout the car. What more do you want? Look at the space as well in the back. So I'm just going to give you an indication, because sometimes the camera comes in. Now, I'm 6'1", and look, absolute loads of leg space, so practical, and this is why the popular USB points all in the back, USB charging points in the back of the seats as well. And the car, as you would expect, is in beautiful condition, just smells new. It's done 600 miles. And then behind me, the other key selling point of the new generation Discovery and why they are so popular is because of the 7 seats. So we can drop this down. At the moment, the seats are down. You've got this huge load space. So if you don't want to use the seats, you've got, look at the size of that. You've got the extra seats in the back, which you can raise up, and they are fully sized as well. They haven't cut any corners where they've put little diddy seats in the back. You've got full 7 seats, the correct size with bags of space. And you can see now with that sunroof open how well that car actually looks. The colour, the glass roof, the interior colour, the R-Dynamic specification against the Fuji white. Beautiful car, will sell instantly, just be quick.